Lexus comes to SEMA with a wine dispensing crossover. Luxury brand brings some surprisingly restrained cars and an imbibing S. While some manufacturers are going neck-deep into the tuner car world for SEMA this year, Lexus is keeping it classy with a restrained lineup of cars with lighter modifications. It made sure to hit all of them though, even the tiny UX subcompact crossover. Here's the rundown. 2019 Lexus RC350F Sport Cross Country Custom. The idea on this one was to pick up a few different modifications from different shops as it's driven across the country. Along the route it's picked up some RUSA springs, Vosin forged wheels with Nitto performance tires, APXI and 1X muffler, a satin wrap and blue underglow. There's not a whole lot to it now, but Lexus says there are still more modifications to come before it hits Los Angeles. 2019 Lexus S350 hours. It's still a funky-looking crossover, but Lexus tried hard to make it stand out from the rest of the bland boxes on the road. The light blue wrap combined with an APXI N1 suspension does the trick. These subcompact crossovers tend to look even more like hatchbacks once manufacturers lower them a couple inches. All that's left is to get rid of the unsightly black plastic cladding. This one has an APXI N1 catback exhaust too. We can't imagine that sounds too hot with the CVT transmission in the UX though. 2019 Lexus S350F Sport. Wine lovers, here is the car for you. Lexus used the trunk area of this S350 to put a wine refrigerator, wine rack and glass holder. It did that, then made the flooring of the trunk out of oak barrel wood. To keep it upscale feeling Lexus added a subtle artisan spirit aero kit and raised engineering 20-inch wheels. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan better watch out. 2018 Lexus LSF Sport. The long Lexus looks a lot racier in this grey paint and 22-inch work wheels. An aero kit brings it all closer to the ground without actually lowering it. Gigantic 6-piston Brembo brakes in front and 4-piston rears are painted in yellow, and look menacing within the big wheels.